You want to know about this little cross halter sling? How? Come with me and I'll teach you right away. Today we will learn the practice of crossing backless small suspenders. Length 55, width 24 centimeters. Lower bust length 44. The width is 10 centimeters. First we fold the fabric in half. 1.3 centimeters up from our side. 1.3 is connected to the flat angle here. And this little piece is doing the same thing. Measure 1.3 centimeters. Cut it according to the line we drew. After cutting it, open it, and it looks like this. After solving the number, we will pass these three sides. Lock him up. The small one on this side is the same lock. The top piece does not need to be locked. At that time, the two of them will be put together and then locked. Take a look at our imitation third line locking edge. After the upper and lower sides of the two pieces are shrunk, we lock the bottom piece on this side of the edge. Fold over the 0.5 line on the car. There's this big block up there pumping it. These sides of the blockbuster should also be folded in the same way. 0.5 fold into the open line on the car. After the car number, we will fold the blockbuster. This side of each lock. This side drawer, take the same length as the one in the middle. Then the edge is 3 centimeters in. The other side too. And put them face to face. When driving, from this position of 3 centimeters, start the car here. Then the car goes 3 centimeters here. In this car. Lock this side after the car number. After this is done, we fold this 3 centimeters piece directly in. This way give it to the car the same on both sides. In this car. After the car number on the following sides, we measure the upper mouth and the edge down by 3.5 centimeters. Sit on the mark. Fold him over. Lay in line. (3.5 centimeters). After this place is folded, measure 1 centimeter from the top to the bottom. It's up here, open line, first gear. This ultra-thin chiffon fabric of my car is completely. There is no situation of kabu eating cloth. The wiring is very silky. After the car is bright. On this weave. The bright line of 0.1 on the car. After the line is removed, take out our bags and put it on. Before the car, it was 5 centimeters wide and 5 centimeters long. This length is not fixed. More than 2 meters is okay. Then we pass it through. First through the top. After wearing it, put this one. Come diagonally, go through this side, cross. Then the other one goes through like this. So it's dressed. There you go. So our clothes are ready. If this bag is longer, you can tie it around the front. If people like my video, then like the video and subscribe to the channel.